Hey guys! The Pixel 6 series hype is at the top. The phone has also been recorded in a hands-on video and Google itself has presented it to the public. This time Google has taken a unique approach to sell their Pixel phone, something they have never done before. The Pixel 6 series leak has disclosed almost everything there is to know about the forthcoming Google phones. But in this video we will see some of the small details of what we will be getting. Now comes Evan Blass, who has initially gathered all of the photographs that will be published on the Google Store website for the Pixel 6. While the surrounding language is lacking, the photographs are enough to describe the features. To begin, consider this image. For the first time in years, Google's great camera software will be combined with the contemporary camera hardware. A 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel telephoto module and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera are included. Samsung's GN1 sensor with dual pixel autofocus should be the 50 megapixel primary sensor. This sensor will also be used in smaller Pixel 6 according to the leak. The telecamera on the other hand will be exclusive to the Pro and will have a 4x magnification. More information on the Pixel 6 camera features can be found here. You can also look at some camera examples. We can determine the picture optimization level by looking at this image. Some of the other images you can also see the Pixel 6 Pro in action, which is Google's best phone to date in terms of design and specification wise. The next several shots are self-explanatory. The new Pixels will be water resistant and have an IP classification. We don't anticipate anything less from the 6 series after the Pixel 5 was rated IP68. Even though a wired charger isn't included in the retail package, the first image blows depict one. The Pro model's 5000 mAh battery should allow 33-watt fast charging. Wireless charging should be available on both phones, allowing for functionality comparable to that of Home Hub. The Pixel 6 will ship with Android 12, which includes Material You, the first big overhaul of the Android in several years. The company confirmed this week that the event will take place on Tuesday, October 19th. As we get closer to the introduction of the new Pixels, a promotional leaflet from German retailer shows that the Pixel 6 will cost 649 euros in Germany. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.